Hi guys, I'm Kajal Guleria and welcome back to my channel. So this video will be the most important video for every student, those who are applying for BITS HD exam. So here are the few information that I thought of sharing with you all. This video is mostly for you all to get your doubts clarified. So we'll start with an exam, about the exam, how to get admission in BITS Pilani campus. So in BITS Pilani campus there are two exams. Like I'm talking about pharmacy mostly. Like I'm studying first year Master of Pharmacy. So we'll start with the exam. What are the exams that help us to get into this BITS Pilani campus? So first exam for, as you all know, pharmacy people, bachelor people, like GPAT is the most important exam. So there are two exams, GPAT exam and BITS HD exam. HD means higher degree exam, that is to get into the masters after bachelor. So there are two exams, right? GPAT and BITS HD exam. So if you qualify GPAT exam with a good ranking, like above 200 marks, and now it's like if you get more than 200 in GPAT exam, so there's you will be safe and secure to get admission in BITS Pilani campus through the GPAT exam. If you haven't qualified this GPAT exam, then not to worry. This BITS HD exam is there. Like especially this BITS Pilani campus conduct their own exam, that is called as BITS HD exam, and through that you can get admission in BITS Pilani campus. Now the BITS HD exam will be conducted in this 26-27 of the June, right? 26-27 June, this 2021. And application form is also like till 29 May. So you have to fill your applications. If you want to get admission in BITS Pilani campus, then you have to fill it before 29 May, and the exam will be conducted on 26 and 27. Okay, so this is all about this exam. And next is this was application. Now we'll go to the question paper pattern. How many questions are there and what is the level of the question paper? So first we'll know about the question numbers, like how many questions are there. It's like 100 questions will be there, and it will be consisting of two papers, test 1 and test 2, right? So test 1 is basically it's consist of core mathematics and English, language skills, and logical reasoning, right? So in test 1 it will be having core mathematics and like logical reasoning and English language skill, these two, and it will be comprising of 30 questions, and rest 70 questions will be of your core subjects. And each question consists of, they have 3 marks, and this exam also have negative marks. That is, if you get correct answer you will score 3 marks, and if you give wrong answer then there will be deduction of 1 mark. Okay, so this is about the question paper, the pattern, that is 30:70. 30 is for your test 1 and 70 is for your core subjects according to your bachelor study. Okay, so it will be having 70 questions. Totally 100 questions, total marks is 300. Okay, now to the level of question paper. Many people have asked about this, what is the level? It's like you can't predict, even in GPAT also you can't predict. So it's BITS Pilani or basically run with applications for pharmacy people, for BTech people, for everyone. So BITS HD exam, I had this question mostly on suppositories. So if you know all those bases that are used, when it is used, you can like predict the answer. So that is the level of question paper. Now cutoff, what is the cutoff, right? So yeah, cutoff is also not like we can predict. It actually based upon the how many students have applied for the exam, and what is the highest mark. If it is at all, if at all they are going with GPAT, then what is the highest GPAT score, is the highest and lowest score. They will take average, and accordingly they will be taking out the cutoff marks. So it's all depend upon after the exams, and your admission also depends upon the preferences that you have given, and also the subjects that you have chosen. Out of 300, 100 you should get. so that you can get at least your admission in BITS Learning Hyderabad campus. So this is about the cutoff marks. We have talked about the application when it is getting over, and when is the exam, it's HD exam, when it will be conducted in this year, and the question pattern we have discussed, the marks, the cutoff marks also we have discussed. What more? Yeah, how to prepare. So for master pharmacy, like to get into that, you can standard book is there. Pearson, you all know, right? Pearson book, you can prefer that. It's like standard book, even for cheap and even for HD exam also. So go with that. Oh, yeah. So we have covered almost every sections. Um the time given for test 1 is 45 minutes. For test 2 it is 105 minutes. And so I will be sharing the link below, so you can check it out there, about the application form also, and the syllabus, and many other details, so you can check it out there. Any doubt, you can comment down in the chat box, or you can message me directly in KBits Hyderabad Insta account. So that's all for this video. We'll meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.